Here we have a SAT math question, that is we have to solve for x in the given equation. So there is, what is a positive solution? Positive solution means I have to find the positive value for x. Okay, let me write the given equation as it is, that is 55 over x positive 6 equals to x. Okay, to solve for x in this equation, my first work is to get rid of the denominator x positive 6 over here. So for that, I have to multiply both sides by x positive 6. Okay, let me do it. So when I multiply both sides by x positive 6, x positive 6 will cancel out. I'm just getting 55 on the left side. On the right side, I have to distribute this x to this x and 6. Then I'm getting x square positive 6x. Okay, so I have a quadratic equation here. So to solve this quadratic equation, so it has to be in the form of ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. That is, everything should be on one side of the equation. On the other side of the equation, there should be 0. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 55 from both sides. So negative 55 and negative 55. When I subtract 55 from both sides, so this positive 55, negative 55 will cancel out. I'm getting 0 on the left side. And on the right side, I'm getting x square positive 6x and negative 55. Or the same equation can be written as x square positive 6x positive, negative 55 equals to 0. Okay, now this equation, quadratic equation, is in the form of ax square positive bx positive c equals to 0. I think we can solve this quadratic equation by factoring. Okay, so here, what is the coefficient of x square? We don't find any number in front of x square, so I have to assume the coefficient of x square is 1. So when the coefficient of x square is 1, to factor this quadratic equation, so we have to take the constant term we have over here, negative 55. Okay, now I have to get two factors for this negative 55, so that the product is equal to negative 55 and the sum is equal to the middle term, positive 6. I think positive 11 and negative 5 will work. When I multiply positive and negative, it becomes negative 11 times 5 is 55. So the product of these two factors equals to negative 55. When I add them, positive 11 and negative 5, it becomes positive 6, which is a coefficient of x. Okay, so I don't have to factor this quadratic expression and then solve for x. I can get the two values for x even from the two factors I have over here. So x equals to the first value to get, I have to change the sign of the first factor. So here we have positive 11. If I change this sign, then I'll be getting negative 11 as one of the values of x. And to get the second value of x, I have to change the sign of the second factor. Here it's negative. When I change it to positive, I'll be getting positive 5. So now I got two values for x in this quadratic equation. So one is negative 11 and the other one is positive 5. But the question is asked us to find the positive solution. Positive solution means, like in these two solutions, we have to reject the negative solution. So 5 is a positive solution. So the positive solution to the given equation is just 5.